Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail account security. In this video, I will show you on how to see if your Gmail account is fully protected. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to the profile icon. Click on your profile icon and this is going to pop up. Go ahead and click on manage your Google account. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on security and sign in. Then here you go. Then you can see here that your account is protected. If there is any issue with account threat or security, it will be signified right here. So what you need to do is to click on your account is protected and then review as many as possible all these 4 keywords right here, like your device. Make sure you review all the devices that is having access to your Gmail account. Then sign in and recovery. Make sure you click on it and make sure you confirm your email recovery or update your email recovery account right here. And then recently security activity, make sure you click on it also. Then you have access, you have detail about people that are having access to your Gmail account. Your third-party connection right here, click on it to review. Your third-party connection are different apps or websites that you use that particular Gmail account to create an account with them. Review them right here, and once you review all these 4 elements right here, then everything becomes positive right here. So click on continue to your Google account. When you click on continue to your Google account, it will redirect you back right here. Then under security and sign in, your account is protected. It's going to be written right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to secure your Google account or Gmail account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.